Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make a continuous line drawing. So a continuous line is when you put your pencil on a paper and then you start to make a line and that line turns into a drawing, but you're not picking your pencil up at all while you are making this line. So that line is unbroken and you're just drawing a picture while keeping your pencil on the paper. So let me show you a few of my examples and then I will show you how to make your own continuous line drawing. Here are some examples that I've already made. This one is tea and cookies. This is similar to a still life. And here is a portrait. You can draw anything using continuous line. So I just choose a blank page. I'm going to work in a Sharpie today just so that you can see it better in what I'm filming. And I'm going to choose a place to start my line. I think I'm going to start up in this corner. I put my Sharpie down and I'm not going to pick it up until I'm finished drawing what I want to draw here. So let's get started. I'm just taking this line for a walk. I think I might do some sort of spring flower design. This might feel pretty similar to scribbling, almost. It's kind of like you're drawing in cursive, if that makes sense. And yeah, it is going to look a little funny because you're not used to drawing this way. But it's a very fun and unique and popular drawing technique. And I figured it might be something interesting to teach you. And you might end up really liking this style of drawing. So I picked my pen up about here and I'm going to end my drawing just like that. So it does look nice in black and white, though I think I'm going to add more color just because I like to do that and I suggest you do the same. If you used a pencil to do your continuous line drawing, I would also suggest going back and tracing it over in maybe a darker marker or a Sharpie. That's up to you, you don't have to, but I do suggest coloring it in because that's going to make it a little bit more fun and interesting. So I'm going to use watercolor, but of course you do not have to do the same. You can use crayons, markers, maybe colorful Sharpies if you have any. I hope you had fun learning about continuous line drawing, and remember, there are endless awesome directions that you can take this project in. Thanks for watching!